Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today I'm doing something kind of quick here and easy. Something I want to show y'all what I do with some of my, y'all know I have homemade preserves. I have blackberry jam, blueberry, also make peach preserves, pear preserves, apple preserves. And I'm going to show you a quick dessert that I use sometime when I want something quick and easy. I'm going to make some peach turnovers. And what I do, all I do is buy some puff pastry sheets. You know, you can buy in the frozen dessert section, puff pastry sheets right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these in squares and fill the pastry with the peaches and bake them in the oven. So right now I'm going to step away, I'm going to cut these in squares, and I'm going to show you how I put this thing together. This thing is so easy and so quick. So we'll be right back. Alright y'all, we back here. Okay, now I got my dough there cut, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush the inside of them. And I do this so that I can, when I put them together, they'll stick. All I do is, I got a little egg here, and a little water in there to make a little egg wash. And I'm going to brush the inside of this. So when I fold them over, they'll stick. Okay. One of these are open already. Okay, I got some peach. Got a little peach preserves here. I'm going to put right here in the middle. And you can use whatever you want. You can use apple. You can use pear. You can use blackberry. Whatever you like to use. I'm just using peach here. And I got a fly in my kitchen, y'all, that's driving me nuts. What happens when you leave your back door open? I do not like flies in my house, never less in my kitchen, so I have to look over that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna bend this over just like this. Just over there. I want to make a triangle. You can make squares if you want to, but I'm gonna do the triangle method. I'm gonna make them like a triangle. First, I'm gonna put them over here, and then I'm gonna seal it down, just like that. See that? Now, once I got them sealed down, I'm gonna take a fork here. And just, what you're gonna do is just mash them down, just like this. Very simple, see that? I do this so you seal it. That's why the egg wash, you do that, because it's like a glue. And when you bake them, the filling will stay in. You don't want the filling to come out when you bake them. See that? Now, I'm going to do one more thing to them. I'm going to brush them and put them on the pan here first. Put them on your pan. Oh, hold on here. This one here I didn't seal good enough. Definitely want to make sure you have them sealed. Put them on the pan. Get them on the pan here. Like I said, I make this dessert all the time, y'all. I wake up and I always keep puff pastry. It's a good thing to do. Also, keep puff pastry in your freezer all the time. You never know when you're going to want something, a quick dessert. Okay, now, rest of the egg wash, I just brush on top. And that's going to make a nice golden brown point when you come out. See that? See how that is? Another thing I do, a little sugar on it. A little sugar on top. Have that nice sugary when they come out of there. And that's it. We're going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees, about 15 minutes. We'll come back, we'll have some good old school peach turnovers. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back here. It's been about 10 minutes here. Like I say, these things don't take long. Look how pretty those are. Look how pretty those things are. Like I say, this is a quick dessert. I always do. Always. So I'm going to take them here off the pan. See? And the filling is so hot in there. And the puff paste is puffed up so nicely. You got that sugar with the egg wash to give it that nice golden brown color on top. And it is awesome. See that? There we go. Now, I'm going to let them cool just a little because that filling is very hot. And I'm going to come back in just a second and I'm going to taste one of them. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're going to try one of these. Try a little small one here. See that crystal, that sugar's on there? And like I say, I usually would pick it up and eat it like that, but this thing is so hot. I'm going to cut it with a knife. That's so good. And my old school preserves, you can use, like I say, any kind of preserve in there. But you get this a good dessert. It took 10 minutes to really make this thing. Because I had the preserves I already did. Pull the puff paste out the freezer, let them thaw out a little, and do this. Very easy. Very simple. So I'm going to put a link at the end of this video. The video to my old school peach preserve. So y'all can make the preserve and peach, apple, pear. But I'm going to put a link to the peach. But this stuff is absolutely amazing. But anyway, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, please comment, please share. Please give thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, give thumbs up. Please visit my other social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.